Start in a comfortable seated position. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly. Inhale, sweep your right arm overhead, stretching long through the side body. Exhale, release. Switch sides. Lift your left arm overhead. Feel your ribs expand and your breath energize your body. Come onto hands and knees for cat-cow. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest, and open your heart. Exhale. Exhale, round your spine, draw your chin to your chest. Continue moving with your breath, flowing through a few more rounds to wake up your spine. From a seated or a standing position, inhale as you sweep your arms up overhead, reaching tall. Exhale, forward fold from the hips. Release your head and your arms. Inhale, rise back up. Arms lifting. Exhale, hands to your heart. Repeat this flow a few times, syncing movements and breath to bring in fresh energy. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Back knee down. Inhale, lift your chest and open your arms wide into a cactus shape. Exhale, release. Take a few breaths here. Feel your hips and your chest open. Switch sides. Inhale, arms open wide, cactus shape. Exhale, release. Feel how open your chest and your hips are. Stand tall and forward fold again. This time, interlace your hands behind your back. Let your knuckles reach towards the sky as you release your head towards the ground. Breathe into your shoulders, letting your chest and back open, and release slowly. Return to a standing pose in mountain pose. Feet grounded, arms by your side, palms facing forward. Take 3 deep breaths, feeling rooted through your feet and lifted through the crown of your head. Notice the clarity and energy flow through your body. We're going to do a little jumping poses to get your lymphatic system going. Do 50 jumps in a row right here in a standing pose. Start jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the way to 50. Well done, you completed your morning reset. Thank you for practicing with me. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's flow, and stay tuned for the midday reset.